In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online. I'll give you the lowdown on 7 ways to rake in that internet cash. Curious? Well, keep watching till the end of this video and uncover the secrets that'll have you earning from the comfort of your home. Welcome to Successful Entrepreneur, where we lay out various businesses you can dive into and make some money. I get it. You might be on the lookout for some extra income or even thinking about making a living off the internet, but you're not sure where to start or what your options are. Maybe you've tried a few things, and they didn't quite pan out, or perhaps you're overwhelmed by the info overload, not sure who to trust anymore. Well, I'm here to lend a hand. I've been in your shoes a few years back, and I know how frustrating it is to want to make money online and not quite hit the mark. So, I've decided to spill the beans on the 7 methods that have worked for me, allowing me to generate passive income and live off my passion. I'm not talking about weird or illegal stuff, nor long-term crazy things like becoming a trader and diving into the stock market. No, I'm talking about legitimate, tried and true ways to make money online. Stuff anyone can apply with a bit of effort and dedication. Can you imagine what your life would be like if you could make money online? Working from anywhere in the world, having more free time to enjoy what you love, being your own boss, having more financial freedom, and helping others with your knowledge. No more sticking to someone else's schedule. No more lining your boss's pockets. No more enduring the daily grind of public transport, and a bunch of other benefits you probably haven't even thought of. Well, guess what? All that is possible if you know how to do it. And I'm going to show you how in this video. But before we dive in, let me ask you a favor. If you like this content and want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. That way, you help me keep creating valuable content for you. Now, let's get down to business. Here are the 7 ways to make money online that I recommend. 1. Start a blog. A blog is a website where you can write about a topic you're passionate about or knowledgeable in, and monetize it with ads, affiliates, or your products. Creating a blog requires a domain, hosting, and a platform like WordPress. You then need to produce quality content optimized for SEO to attract organic traffic from Google. You can also promote your blog on social media or through paid campaigns. A well-done blog can generate passive income for a long time. I know it might sound a bit challenging, but trust me, it's not. Just think about it. When you want to know something, you often go to Google to ask. Many times, you've probably landed on a blog page. Thousands of companies advertise on these blogs, and this is how you can make money. Just educate yourself on setting up your blog once and keep it optimized. You'll only need to adjust it occasionally to keep it up to date. 2. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is the world's largest video platform and an excellent way to make money online. To start a YouTube channel, all you need is a camera, a microphone, and an idea. Record videos about a topic you enjoy or are skilled in, and upload them to YouTube with good editing, a catchy title, description, and thumbnail. Optimize your videos for SEO to appear in searches and recommendations. You can monetize your channel with ads, affiliates, or your products. Remember, it might sound difficult, but with a bit of study, it's not. Now, with the help of artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo, and MyJourney, you can get assistance in creating your scripts and thumbnails. Plus, you can offer services to help other YouTube channels grow and get paid for your assistance. Let's move on to method number 3. 3. Start a podcast. A podcast is an audio program that can be listened to online or downloaded. It's a way to share your voice and message with the world and also make money online. To start a podcast, you need a microphone, recording and editing software, and a platform to host and distribute your podcast, like Anchor or SoundCloud, or even Spotify. Record episodes on a topic you're interested in or knowledgeable about and upload them to your platform. You can also promote your podcast on social media or through paid campaigns. You can monetize your podcast with ads, affiliates, or your products. If this video has piqued your interest so far, help me out by subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button. Let's continue with method number 4. 4. Create an online course. An online course is a way to teach what you know to people who want to learn it and also make money online. To create an online course, you need a camera, a microphone, recording and editing software, and a platform to host and sell your course, like Udemy or Hotmart. Then, create the content of your course, divide it into lessons and modules, and record the videos. You also need to create a sales page and a marketing strategy to attract customers. You can charge a fixed price or a subscription for your course. If you want to specialize in this topic, let me tell you it's my favorite, and I advise not only creating courses but also specializing in selling them. Maybe not just your courses but others' courses too, and taking a commission for selling them. 5. Write an ebook. An ebook is a digital book that can be read on electronic devices like computers, tablets, or phones. It's a way to share your knowledge or story with the world and also make money online. To write an ebook, you need writing and editing software like Word or Google Docs, and a platform to publish and sell your ebook, such as Amazon Kindle, Kobo, or Hotmart. Then, write your ebook, give it a proper format, design a cover, and upload it to your platform. You also need to create a sales page and a marketing strategy to attract readers. You can charge a fixed price or a commission for your ebook. Method number 6. Create an info product. An info product is any digital product that provides value and information to the buyer, like an ebook, an online course, a podcast, a webinar, etc. It's a way to package your knowledge or experience in an easily consumable and sellable format and also make money online. To create an info product, choose the type of product that best suits your topic and audience, create its content, and find a platform to host and sell your info product, like Hotmart or ClickBank. Then, create a sales page and a marketing strategy to attract customers. You can charge a fixed price or a commission for your info product. Here you can make money in 3 ways: as a producer, being the owner of the product; as a co-producer, finding people who have talent to have an info product; and as an affiliate, selling other people's products. Let's continue with the last but not least, method number 7. 7. Start an online store. An online store is a website where you can sell physical or digital products through the internet. It's a way to have your own online business without needing a physical store and also make money online. To start an online store, you need a domain, hosting, a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, and the products you want to sell. Then, create your product catalog with photos, descriptions, and prices, and configure the payment and shipping methods. You also need to create a sales page and a marketing strategy to attract customers. You can charge a fixed price or a commission for your products. Alright, that's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Leave a comment about what business you'd like us to talk about.